Hola. This is going to be a, well, first of all, greetings from the only croc-wearing M3 owner. This is going to be an informative video as to what the iPE Valvetronic exhaust sounds like. iPE, aka Innotech Performance exhaust. I think it's an amazing exhaust. I think it sounds beautiful. I think it looks beautiful. I'm going to do a cold start, let it warm up a little bit, and then rev it, perhaps open the valves. When it's opened, in my opinion, I think it's ridiculously loud, but if you want to have fun, it's fun, that's for sure. Here's the video of what it looks like underneath. It's beautifully made, but most importantly, as you heard, it's beautiful sounding. Anyway, that's gonna conclude our video for the day. Buenos nachos.